Jellyfin versus Plex. Which media server should you use? Choosing the right media server can make a big difference in how you organize, stream, and enjoy your media library. Jellyfin and Plex are two popular media servers, each with unique strengths. Jellyfin is a completely open source server that lets you manage movies, TV shows, music, and live TV without subscription fees. Plex offers a polished experience with apps for virtually every device and optional premium features for enhanced streaming and organization. This comparison breaks down the key features so you can decide which media server fits your needs. Jellyfin is fully open source and free, supporting movies, TV shows, music, and live TV. It provides a web interface, mobile apps, and rich metadata support for organizing your media library. Jellyfin is ideal for users who want a self-hosted solution with full control and no subscription fees. Jellyfin also offers live TV and DVR support, plugin capabilities, transcoding for multiple devices, and multi-user access with customizable permissions. It's perfect for households or communities that want a complete media server experience while retaining full control over their content. Plex is designed for users who want a polished, easy-to-use media server with excellent device compatibility. It supports movies, TV shows, music, photos, and podcasts, providing rich metadata, cover art, and organizational tools across devices. Plex is great for users who want convenience and minimal setup effort. With Plex Pass, users gain access to premium features such as offline downloads, enhanced audio and video quality, live TV and DVR, parental controls, and content recommendations. Plex also integrates with streaming services and third-party apps, offering an overall refined, commercial-grade media experience. Feature comparison: Jellyfin excels for users who want a completely free open-source media server with movies, TV, music, and live TV. Plex shines for users who prioritize polished apps, device compatibility, and optional premium features for an enhanced streaming experience. Jellyfin is best for households or communities that want a self-hosted server with full control over content. Plex is ideal for users who value convenience, a refined interface, and additional features through a premium subscription. Final thoughts: if your priority is a free, fully self-hosted, and customizable media server, Jellyfin is the stronger choice. If you want a feature-rich, polished experience with apps for all devices and optional premium upgrades, Plex is the better option. Your choice ultimately depends on whether you want total control or a more refined, convenient media experience.